Hello everyone. You are watching the functions of entrepreneurs with Ravindra Hegde. Today, let us talk about the promotional functions. The first one is the identification and selection of business idea. Every intending entrepreneur wants to start the most profitable and rewarding project. So the selection of the most suitable business project involves a process. The intending entrepreneur, based on his or her knowledge, experience, and information gathered from friends and relatives, generate some possible business ideas which can be examined and pursued as a business enterprise. Friends, this process is also known as opportunity scanning and identification. Uh, then the generated ideas are analyzed in terms of cost and benefits associated with them. Having made cost benefit analysis of all the ideas, the most beneficial idea is finally selected to be pursued as business enterprise. Friends, let me give one beautiful assignment to you. I share you one most uh, beautiful case study. Uh, you have to give one the beautiful idea, beautiful solution, and post it to my WhatsApp number. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇದ್ರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸಿ. Just I want to know how you think big, how you think from different angle. I would like to know your helicopter perspective. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So my personal opinion is always think from different angles. You think from different angles. Think outside the box. Then only you can get the some innovative ideas. Okay. Uh, it's a most memorable case study on Japanese management. Uh, it happened in one of the Japan's biggest cosmetic companies. The company received a complaint that a consumer had bought a soap box that was empty. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂತು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರಿಂದ, ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಂದ, ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟಿ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಅಥಾರಿಟೀಸ್ isolated the problem to the assembly line, which transported all the packaged box of soap to the delivery department. For some reason, one soap box went through the assembly line empty. So management asked its engineers to solve the problem. Post haste, the engineers worked hard to devise an X-ray machine with high resolution monitors manned by two people to watch all the soap boxes that passed through the line to make sure they were not empty. Friends, no doubt they worked hard and they worked fast, but they spent oof amount to do so. Here the my question is, ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ರೇ ಮಷೀನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ತುಂಬ ಏನು ಹೆವಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಖರ್ಚಿಲ್ದೇನೆ, ತುಂಬ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗದೇನೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸು ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಷಿನ್ನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಲೇಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಷಿನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಎಂಟಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸೋಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನಿಯರ್, ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಏನೋ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 9740963500, 9740963500, 9740963500. I definitely welcome your suggestions. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್. The entrepreneur prepares a statement called business plan or project report of what he or she proposes to take up. In other words, business plan is a well-evolved course of action devised by entrepreneur to achieve the specified objectives within a specified period of time. In this sense, business plan is just like an operating document. The preparation of a business plan is not must, but it is very much useful for the entrepreneur to establish his or her enterprise in an effective and smooth manner. It contains information about the intending entrepreneur, location of enterprise, requirement for land and building, okay, plant and machinery, raw material, utilities, transport and communication, manpower, requirement for funds including working capital, along with its source of supply, break-even point, and implementation schedule project. And next one is requirement for finance. The entrepreneur prepares a requirement for funds with its detailed structure. The financial requirement is also classified into short-term and long-term separately. Then the source of supply to acquire the required fund are also mentioned. How much will be the share capital in terms of equity and preference shares, and how much will be borrowed capital from different financial institutions and banks are clearly maintained. So in this case, the entrepreneur prepares a requirement for funds with its detailed structure. So these are the three important promotional functions. And please send your valuable suggestion for the question what I have said. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon.